The easiest way to parallel park, just drive up next to the car parked in front of your intended spot, and your car should be about 3 feet away from that car. You'll want to back up straight until you see the neighboring car's back end in the middle of your back passenger window. Then turn your wheel to the right and start backing in. In your right side mirror, you're going to see an imaginary triangle forming from the side of your car, the curb, and the bottom of the side mirror. When that triangle becomes an equilateral triangle, that's when you want to stop reversing, but instead straighten out your wheel and back in straight. And you'll see in the passenger side window the triangle getting smaller and smaller. When the triangle disappears, stop backing in, turn your wheel all the way to the left, and continue reversing until your car is parallel with the curb. And then straighten out your steering wheel and move forward as needed. But make sure to test it out in an open space before you do it in real life. If you want to know the easiest way to parallel park, just drive up to the car parked in front of your intended spot. Your car should be about 3 feet away from that car. You want to back up straight until the neighboring car's back end appears in your little vent window. Then turn your wheel all the way to the right and start backing into your spot. When you see in your left side mirror the entire bumper of the car behind you, that's when you want to stop. Straighten out the steering wheel back and straight until the right side mirror aligns with the neighboring car's left taillight. Turn the wheel to the left and continue backing in until you're parallel with the curb. Lastly, straighten out your steering wheel and then move forward if needed. But be sure to practice this in an open space before you try it in real life. If you want to know the easiest way to parallel park, just drive up next to the car parked in front of your intended spot until your side mirror aligns with the other car's side mirror, and your car should be about 3 feet away from that car. Then turn your steering wheel all the way to the right and start backing in. But stop when you see the other car's license plate in the middle of your passenger window. Then turn your wheel all the way to the left and continue backing in until you're parallel with the curb. Lastly, straighten out your steering wheel and then move forward if needed. But make sure to try this in an open space before you try it in real life.